Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. This is a very important unboxing video, and I am excited to show you it today. So, let's get to it. What could possibly be in this box? Well, yeah, there we go. A fire alarm control panel. Now, I have a security panel that also has a fire zone in it, but I actually have a real fire alarm control panel now, which is very, very awesome. I'm so excited for this. So, Silent Night by Honeywell. See? Okay, so I'll put that down like that. And now, alright, so somehow I'm gonna have to get this box out of this box. Oh, heck. Okay. Wow. There it is. Ooh, this looks so cool. So, this is as it says on there, it's the SK2 by Silent Night and Honeywell. So, there it is. This is brand new, and I won it from an auction on eBay. So that's really cool. I'm very happy with this. Alright, so there's the panel. Now let's take a look on the inside. Here we go. So we do that, we test that, and then we just open the door. So here's the door, and here's the actual panel part, the circuit board and stuff. Here's the wiring and the resistors and stuff like that. And in here you have the instructions. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the most part. So this is exciting. So there we have it. The Silent Night SK2 fire alarm control panel. Whoop whoop. Thanks for watching the unboxing video of my Silent Night SK2 fire alarm control panel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.